you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little room tour for you guys. It's not like exactly how I want it, but it's pretty close. And you guys have been really wanting a room tour for a while, so I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna do it. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's not at its best, but if you like this video, be sure to give it a big huge thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started into this room tour. This is my room once you walk in through the door. This is like my favorite side of my room. But yeah, there's my cats and there's another one right there. So starting off when you walk in, I just have my laundry hamper chilling right here. There was really no special place to put it, so I just put it right there. Then I have this little canvas hanging up here. It's of like the Brooklyn Bridge and like New York City and stuff. I got it at a sale somewhere. I don't know where it's from, but I know that there's a lot of pictures like this in a lot of stores, so you can probably find one just like it. And then over here is my door. I just have some pictures up there from photo booths. I didn't really know what else to do with them. Okay, so next we have this side of my room, which is my favorite part of my room. So right here I have my clothing rack. This is not all of my clothes. These are just a few clothes that I have hanging out here. I believe I got this from Walmart. It was only like $8 and it's pretty sturdy, so it works out great. And then I have these lights wrapped around it from Target. And yeah, I just have all of my clothes, well, not all of them, but some of my clothes hanging up here. Up here, I have this little floral thing. It's like a leafy green type of vine thingy. I got it at Hobby Lobby. There's two of them put together, so I need to get more of them so I can put more of them around my room, but I just kind of hung it up there for now. I didn't really know what to do with it, but I think it looks pretty good. So, and right here we just have a little box kind of chilling there, and I don't even have a little thing around that because we never put them on after painting my room, and we still have to do that. So, but yeah, I just kind of have a random box chilling here of things I still need to put away, like clothes and stuff. And then over here is my little vanity area. This is kind of messy, but this is the best it's gonna get right now. So over here I kind of have like a bunch of makeup brushes, eyebrow stuff, eyeliner, stuff like that, and then those are like face brushes, and then I have like my setting spray and some sprays right there and my moisturizer. And then over here I have a little holder like with my ponytails, and then some of my nose rings are right there. And then there's a picture of my friend Madison. And then I have a little mirror just chilling here, my lamp, some earrings. And then this thing was from this, but I thought I would put some brushes in here or something, I don't know, but I have one brush in there right now. And then this basket is just like a random basket, like with, it has like my Not Your Mother's Beach Babe dry shampoo, my Curology bottles, some vitamins, my sleep masks, stuff like that, just random things, some charger adapters. Yeah, let me have my little coffee right here. And then inside is some more makeup, and it is so messy. So if you guys want me to do a video of like organizing my makeup vanity, let me know and I will do that for you guys. And then we have my mirror, and that's from Target. And then this is from Target too. Also, this is from Target, and so is that basket. Pretty much everything in my room is from Target. And then up here we have this little hanging thing. It was from Hobby Lobby, and then that's just a random Coke bottle, and then that flower thing right here is from Hobby Lobby. And then I have some hair accessories just kind of chilling right there because it's right by my vanity. So, and then for my stool, I need to get a new stool still. I want to get like a pretty white one. I haven't gotten around to getting a new stool, so I just put a blanket over this purple one so it looks good, so that's good enough for right now. Okay, moving on to this side of my room. Right here I just have a little coat hanger. I got that hanger from Target. And then I just have some jackets chilling up here. And then I have my Polaroid wall, and there is one missing right there. I know, I need to fill it in. But yeah, we just have a bunch of Polaroids, mostly of me and my friends, pretty things. I plan on making this whole wall Polaroids, so gonna look really cool. And then down here I just have my bear from Target, and then that basket is from Michael's, and then the pine cones are from Target. And then that little basket is from Forever 21. I just have some socks in it and stuff. And then I have my camera charger, and then back there is my tripod. So, and then right here I have my piano. It has a stand with it. I was thinking about setting it up right here and like moving all this stuff because I didn't really know what to do with this space. It's just kind of random. I kind of wanted to get like a little table, to put over here, or like drawers or something. I don't know, because I do need more storage for my room because I have a bunch of stuff. Now moving on over here, I have a closet that I have to go through. It's pretty messy, so we're not gonna go inside there, but yeah, that's just a closet. And then I usually like hang all my bags on my closet doors whenever I get home from shopping. I don't really have any other place to put them, so I just like hang them up right there. And then I have some hats chilling up there too. Moving on to this side of my room, I have some necklaces. I still need to get a jewelry organizer to organize that, and then I just have a hat hanging right there. Then right here I just have my little heater chilling, and then this space is kind of random. It like holds like my sweaters, my jeans, some perfume in the basket, swimsuits, scarves, stuff like that. So I mostly have jeans on the top shelf, and then there's some lights chilling there, and then my phone charger, and then there's sweaters, sweatpants down here, and then I keep like some of my books and journals right there, and then I have like some belts chilling there. I believe this shelf is from Target. I think, yeah, both of them are from Target. They're like stacked on top of each other, but yes, they're from Target. And then I want to get like wicker baskets to replace those black ones. Or I kind of just want to get rid of this thing altogether. I don't really know. Moving on up here, this is from Target, my little tree. And then I have this candle. That's from Target. My Polaroid, little chalk bottle up there. My perfume holder, like this holds some of my perfumes that I've been loving, and like my deodorant and stuff. This tray thing is from Target. Literally everything in my room is from Target. Moving on over here, I just have a bunch of random things. Another candle, little tree thing, some sticky notes, my glasses, and then there's a little sign back there. Just looks like that. I made that myself. So moving on over here, we have my trash can, which is really disgusting, so don't look at it. And then I have some more greenery things on my window from Hobby Lobby, and then my lights are from Target. And then my bed, oh look at my cat, he's so cute. Okay, and then my bed, this frame thingy or whatever, this palette thing, I made it myself. It was pretty easy to make. We're missing one board though. We forgot a board at the stores. Yeah, I made that myself. That's what my bed sits on. And then this comforter is from Target. I also want to get a new comforter. I still have some things to do to my room, like I said before. And then moving on over here, I have my lamp, which is from Target. And then this mirror is from Target. It's my body mirror. And then these greenery things, I don't know where they're from. They used to be in my mom's room. She gave them to me. Moving on over here, I just have my robe hanging there, my school bag, and then some more shopping bags on my closet doors. This also holds a bunch of my clothes and jeans and stuff. It's pretty messy. So up there I have a bunch of shoes hanging up there. So yeah, I need to organize my other closet so I can put more clothes in there because we are running out of space. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. It was just a quick little room tour. I actually don't plan on staying up here for too long. When I graduate, my parents are building me a new room in the basement in my little area, so I'm gonna like stay at home, make YouTube videos and stuff like I said. I don't know, my plans change kind of a lot. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big huge thumbs up. I still plan on making changes to my room, so if you want an updated room tour when it's updated, let me know. I just thought I would get this up for you guys because you guys have been really requesting it a lot. Make sure to follow my social medias. They will be listed down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.